What was Google's IPO price? Have you ever wondered how Google transformed from a small startup into a tech giant? One major milestone in this journey was its initial public offering. So, what was Google's IPO price? On August 19, 2004, Google went public with an initial offering price of $85 per share. This event was not just about the price. It was also notable for the method used. Google chose a modified Dutch auction process, which was quite different from the typical investment bank-led offerings of that time. This innovative approach reflected the company's forward-thinking nature. At that IPO price, Google raised approximately $1.67 billion. Out of this amount, around $1.2 billion went directly to the company, while $473 million benefited early investors and executives selling their shares. The IPO valued Google at about $23 billion, a remarkable achievement for a tech company in the early 2000s. On the very first day of trading, Google stock opened at $100 per share and closed at around $100.34. This strong performance indicated high investor demand and excitement about the company's future. Over the years, Google's stock price skyrocketed, showcasing its rapid growth and dominance in internet search and digital advertising. From a nostalgic perspective, Google's IPO was a landmark moment that symbolized the rise of the internet era and the tech boom of that decade. It marked the transition of Google from a fast-growing startup to a significant public company, capturing the excitement surrounding new technology companies that were changing how people accessed information online. If we look at Google's IPO price of $85 today, after accounting for stock splits, it translates to a much lower effective price per share, around $2.13. This means that early investors who held onto their shares have seen extraordinary returns over the years. So, to answer the question, Google's IPO price was $85 per share in 2004. This figure launched one of the most successful tech companies of the 2000s into the public market, setting the stage for its future as a global technology powerhouse.